Since this build is widely complicated, the only possible way to tackle it was going layer by layer. But still, since there are so many different builds that make up the base, the amount of random blocks needed was absurd. This is why organizing everything was an extremely crucial step. I didn't want to be looking through every shulker until I found the block I needed. Although, after completing a few layers, I noticed how easily it was to miss a block or two, which I can't afford doing because even if this doesn't seem like much, this would add up over time and then become noticeable. However, I figured out a pretty easy solution. When I went into the schematic menu to collect what blocks I needed per layer, there's a total next to it that gives you the exact amount you will need. So instead of grabbing like a stack of chests when I only need 19, I got that exact amount. So once I'm done with the layer, if there are any blocks I had left over in my inventory, that means I missed a block and I can go find it pretty easily. And before some schematic nerds come after me and say, why couldn't you just check the missing block amount? Well, that also counts the blocks that need certain rotation, like stairs, trapdoors, and some redstone items, which glitches out almost every time. So my method was way more reliable. Soon after solving all my problems, I could finally start seeing progress on the base, which came with noticing some cool builds.